Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. On this video here, what I want to do is I want to show you guys something that's kind of important. You're trying to stuff bigger speakers in your door, or like not bigger as in diameter wise, but bigger as in depth, maybe like a mid bass or a mid-range, and you want to go with something pretty substantial. Anyway, so what we have here is we have the door panel off how you normally would. You take the door off, you got your window out, whatever, so on and so forth. Well, let me get rid of the glasses. It is raining a little bit here. First thing you're going to have to do is grab a way to roll your window down. Okay. We'll keep that set aside first. What I want to do here is I want to take this driver out so we can see that this driver protrudes out so much. So let's go ahead and take a measurement of that just so we have a baseline. And I'm gonna kind of go dead center, just pick a spot, and we'll say that's 1 5/8. So we know we can bring that woofer out 1 5/8 if we need to, okay? So let's go ahead and pull this driver out. Now, we can see this little driver, man, there ain't much to her, huh? But it does work. I mean, people complain about the sound in a Tacoma. I got the non-JBL, and it is a 2023, so that does, I think, make a difference. But anyway, let's go ahead and we can observe the amount of space we have in here right now. Now, that's all cool and dandy, but you need to see if there's going to be any obstruction. And that's why I have the window switch here. Let's go ahead and roll this window down. All right, so the window's all the way down. We can disconnect the switch so you guys can see better. And then I did pre-buy my brackets that I was gonna need for this vehicle, because I knew that when you pull this speaker out, there is no, it's not set like a regular speaker, where there's an adapter like this. This is an adapter, and then you can bolt the speaker to it. The speaker to the adapter on this is all in one. A lot of new vehicles are like this, so you have to get these adapter rings. Check your application, of course. And I recommend, if you're doing something other than just a regular quintessential upgrade like me, I want to put bigger drivers in here, so I want to know what my space is, what I have. So we got our adapter. Let's go ahead and get our adapter put on. All right, first time. Wow, that's nice. That don't usually happen. Guess it don't usually happen because it didn't happen. All right, I guess that's as good as it gets, huh? So let's start out by just lightly putting one in. All right. All right. So now we have the driver in. Or sorry, not the driver. We have the speaker adapter in. First thing I want to do is I want to take that measurement again, and I'm only about 1 1/8 inches, so I have another 1/2 inch out further I can add to this measurement if necessary, but that would also entail me making a 1/2 inch extension ring if I needed to, if we run into a depth issue. Okay, so here I have is 2 squares. This is a baby square, one of my favorites. I do a lot of structural fabrication and a lot of building lowriders and stuff like that, bag mini trucks. So these are good for you guys to have around. They're cheap, $5-6, Home Depot, cheaper at the other places, whatever. Anyway, I have one without the body, so it's just a blade, and I'm just going to use that as a to lay across this surface here. Now, I'm going to start out, first I'm just going to take a tape measure and throw it in that hole. Yeah. And if you guys can see here and there is a little red where the bolt attaches to the window regulator. So that's going to be kind of my biggest deal. And I can see here, it looks like I got three and a half or so. So let's go ahead and take this and set this to 3.5. Lay this across. And then I want to just kind of wave that around in there. And I really have, I'm not touching on that window anywhere, right? So actually let's go 3 9/16 because that's about a 16th thick. So 3 9/16. I don't touch that bolt, just rubbing it around in there. Make sure to keep that flat. I'm gonna come out a little more. I'm at 3 5/8, which gives me 3 9/16 of clearance. All right, I actually start, you can hear that, I'm touching. So I have 3 9/16 inches of clearance in there. Now remember I said, if I need to, I can add a ring on the outside of this, a 1/2 inch. I probably can go, I think that might be about it, because I believe this sets up against the, I'm positive this sets up against the back of the door. All right, that's why there's a cushion on it. And that's how they get better sound out of these little tiny deals is, they push them right up to the door. They're not set back in the door panel. And we have a little cure for that. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that's how you're going to measure. So now I know that I have 3 9/16, plus I can come out another 1/2 inch. 3 9/16. So I have basically 4 1/16 of depth that I can utilize in there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and order my drivers. I wanted to wait because I'm not putting components in the back. I bought some components and JBL, or sorry, Infinities. The driver just wasn't as robust as I was looking for. I am amplifying this whole system, and I'm going to be running about 120 watts to all 4. And yeah, so basically the drivers that I got were only rated for like 90. And I know it's only a little off, but that amp is actually underpowered or underrated, and I like to crank things up, and I want the ability to have that extra knock here in the back. And that's why I'm not going to put just a regular set of components in here. That's why I'm actually putting a mid-bass driver in here. All right, so there's a difference between regular loudspeakers, right? Then you have mid-bass, and then you have mids, and then you have small subwoofers. Now I did think about going with a small subwoofer. It crossed my mind a lot of time. I think I picked what I'm gonna go for, and you'll see that in the video when they'll show up, because it's probably gonna be about a week before those get here. So the next video should be starting to do the actual install of what's going on here. So until then, see you guys later. Peace.